punchline vibe. So wait, is it hard to manage Dance God Lloyd?
Oh, not really. Oti Asemo. Yeah, he's always ready to learn.
We are sure.
Yeah, very sure. He's always ready to learn.
Dance God very difficult too.
Oh no, it will be difficult. Not at all.
We are sure.
Yes, he's always ready to learn, and then and then listen to us as well. And then it's a team. So whenever there is a decision, it's an answer. He understands. It's not difficult at all.
But Charlie, surprise now we are my Dance God Lloyd. Nana, I know I hope you hear what they go on for the media. The punchlines.
What do they talk for the media?
Then talk some. You know.
No, I don't know. Tell me.
Manager, you know.
I don't know. Tell me.
Okay. Some be say they say why pana why and new car. I beg you know say no be new car. Why they do so?
If it be easy, make them do them.
Hey, punchlines. If it be easy,
make them do them.
As I am Kasapio. Bro, tell me, Charlie, you be cow now. Charlie, are they jealous this cow Dance God Lloyd?
I beg.
If you make a sit for front.
Sharp.
Hey, punchline vibe. So Dance God Lloyd, since you get this car, how you feel?
Normal. Yes, normal. It not be any property. It's just liability. So
nice.
Normal.
Nice, Charlie. But the social media things where people they talk, Charlie, serious. So then say, and I can't wipe a natty, and I can't, it not be new. And Dance God Lloyd, can be wrong.
I have nothing to say. It's what they are saying. It's just
nice
okay.
One.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah, it has nothing to do with me.
Nice one.
That's what you think and that's what you see. That's fine.
Nice. Hey, the man Dance God Lloyd is here. We you man but no cramp on the young fantunche and then say Indomie first. Dance God Lloyd. Today, what are we expecting from you on the stage?
Good vibes.
Nice.
Good vibes. Always.
Nice.
It's always good vibes.
Nice.
Nothing crazy. Just watch. You will see online.
When Dance God Lloyd talk, guess what? Guess what?
Case closed.
Case closed. Case closed. I go by the name DJ Billy One. Charlie Nana, but trust me, you spoil everywhere.
On God, bro.
On God,
We are doing it for the community, for the industry, the dance industry.
Nice one.
Whatever we are doing, we are not doing it for ourselves.
Nice one.
We are doing it to contribute and inspire the next generation.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Charlie, God bless you.
God bless you
and
too.
Also, once again, congratulations.
Thank you.
Punchline vibe.
Together.
Yeah, I'm coming to Dance God Lloyd training ground and we are going to dance with DJ Billy One and Dance God Lloyd is going to show you the best out of him, man.
Let's go.
Let's go.